Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at XAUUSD, we can see that this instrument initially has broken from the structure as expected. Now again, the price slowly moving back to the major direction of the trend. Let's see where we can find our trading opportunity. Before we let's look at the monthly chart again to see overall direction in this market. So looking at monthly on XAUUSD, we can see that this instrument is long-term bull market here. As we have discussed in quite a few of our analysis, we can see that historically it's a bull market, and we have seen that pullback, another movement, deeper pullback, and the market is in another impulsive phase at the moment. In the first week of the month, we can see that after initial pullback to that previous monthly resistance, which is turning support here, from that zone the market has managed to break to the upside with a stronger momentum. And if we look at the weekly chart to see how the price is evolving, past week was quite volatile. We have seen the price tested this previous resistance here, which is turning support here, and with the resistance turn support form this strong bullish engulfer with a huge momentum in it. Now with that bullish engulfer from the weekly, the price tested quite a few weeks low, and after retest of this previous resistance, which is turning support here, we can see that from the weekly perspective, XAUUSD had managed to break to the upside with this stronger bullish price action. Now this week so far, as expected, we can see that primarily the price has come for a pullback, but still we see the price didn't test this previous resistance here, which is turning support here. And as the price didn't test this previous resistance as support, we may see a little deeper pullback before it potentially move back up again in the major direction of the trend from the weekly point of view. And if we drop down to the daily chart to see how the price is evolving here, we can see that from the daily it is in a very strong uptrending market structure, where we can see that there is a breakout pullback, another breakout pullback. The market has made a big move followed by a strong breakup structure here. And with that breakup structure, what we can see that the price has managed to retest this swing high here, which is the resistance turning support here. And this is the daily breakup structure, a quite a strong break from this resistance line to this support level. And we have seen back to back two swing low has been broken, and the market from that zone the buyers has taken full control over the market. And we see that back to back 3 days the price managed to break out with a candle close above. At the moment we can see that from the daily, previous daily candle was as expected a pullback here, and today once the market opened from this zone, we can see the market started to move back again in the direction of the trend, where this is a previous support here as well. And what I think that the price may potentially remain bullish here from this support level. There is a strong breakout followed by narrow pullback in that area, and today's price action we can see from this support level so far managed to bounce, and where this is a previous daily resistance. And I think that later today we might see potential pullback before it bounce back up. Ultimately we might see the price to again retest the daily resistance, or even potentially to create a new higher high. So this is the daily price action, and we might see that potential trend continuation. Therefore the bias is still bullish for long term picture in this market. So looking at 4 hour chart here, how the price is forming now, here is we can see that it's still maintaining that very strong bullish market structure. Starting from here with this order block, we saw that after this double bottom formation there is a clean change of trend from this downtrend to an uptrend. And with that clean change of trend, this is a move followed by this pullback, another move, pullback, and the price we can see that here in that area on XAUUSD has tested this support. And with that support retest, what we can see the market in that area currently trying to bounce again. So what I think that with the upcoming news events, we might see a deeper pullback and potentially to continue in the major direction of the trend. So this is the previous swing high here, which is the previous resistance, expecting XAUUSD to potentially drop for a deeper pullback and then to remain bullish. So looking at the 1 hour chart here, we can see there is a long wick doji formation here, and in that long wick doji, what we can expect for this price to potentially drop here and then to bounce back up. So this is where you will be waiting for potential bullish trading opportunity. As soon as you will find suitable entry, you will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, I hope that you enjoyed this education and analysis. Make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet for more updated education like that. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.